How to retake eHarmony compatibility quiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss if you can retake the eHarmony compatibility quiz. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. You can use either the app or the website version of the platform. I will be using the website version for the video. Now the compatibility quiz is the one that you have to take while creating a new account. Basically, you have to answer a multiple number of questions, which allows the platform to have an idea about your personality and show profiles that matches with your personality. So since it's more about your personality and character, and there is less chance that it will change in a very short period of time, you can't retake compatibility quiz often. However, there are certain cases where the eHarmony platform will let you retake it. So basically, you can retake the quiz once in a couple of months, and the condition for it is that you can retake it as you wish. So basically, if you have taken any kind of subscriptions and when it renews, you'll get a chance to retake the compatibility quiz. In order to see if you have the chance to retake the quiz or not, while renewing your subscription, simply go to the three lines on the top left that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll get this data and settings option. Tap on it. As you scroll under data and settings, if there is an option to retake the quiz, you'll find that particular option in here. However, if you can't find the option, then it means that you can't currently retake the quiz. So these are the situations regarding retaking the compatibility quiz on eHarmony. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further similar videos.